everyone, and welcome back to the Vibrant Life Source channel. And today we are mixing up a very tasty treat for you. We are making chia seed pudding. So a little facts about chia seeds. Those tiny little seeds, yes, you remember if you're an 80s child, the chia seed pet, yes, same thing. But so chia seeds are great. They are rich in omega-3s, they're an antioxidant, and they're also rich in fiber, iron, and calcium. So they're like a little wonder seed, and I love them. And you can use them in many different ways. This is probably the way I use them the most, and I make a pudding out of them. And not any kind of pudding. It is a protein-packed pudding. So the ingredients are simple, and this pudding is ridiculously easy to make. A lot of times I will do it, either make it for like a snack, or I will make it in the evening, let it set overnight, and then it is a great and easy breakfast that I can just throw together, pop in a to-go container, and then I'm off for the morning. So here are the ingredients. It obviously has chia seeds, a half cup of chia seeds, raw cacao powder. So I'm making a chocolate chia seed pudding today. So it has raw cacao powder, milk. I'm using homemade almond milk, okay? So you can use any type of milk that you want. If you want to go non-dairy, whatever flavor of non-dairy milk that you like. It has maple syrup in it. And then the protein, I am using unflavored collagen powder. So if you're not familiar with collagen powder, it is well, we all know what collagen is, but I love collagen powder because it is a pure form of protein. There's no additives to it. I can't personally do whey protein. It doesn't work well with my stomach, and so collagen powder is just pure. There's no carbs in it, there's no fat in it, it's just pure protein. And my favorite brand is FNX Fitness. This is the Resilience Collagen Protein. It is unflavored. It's got 20 grams of protein per scoop. So, and if this is something you're interested in trying, I even have a discount code. That'll be down in the description box. So this is how all this goes. So the whole method for the pudding, again, is down in the description box, but you'll do half a cup of chia seeds, quarter cup of the raw cacao powder, the protein powder, and then the maple syrup, and then 2 cups of the almond milk, okay? Throw it in your high-speed blender, zip zap, put it in a container to chill, and it sets really, really fast. And then you are enjoying this creamy, dreamy pudding. And here's what it looks like. Look at this. Yeah, I just added some raspberries to make it look pretty, but this is amazing. It's just this very simple. Look at this. Yeah. It's perfect. It has a little bit of a texture to it, but I actually like it. And you can add, if you want it sweeter, you can add more maple syrup or not. I find maple syrup works the best because it blends better. So if you're going to use like coconut sugar, it becomes like a little grainy. So I actually like using the maple syrup the best. So if you're looking for a really quick and easy snack or breakfast, give this a whirl. It is so easy. And check out below in the description box for the method. Give it a whirl. Let me know what you think in the comments, and while you're there, be sure to subscribe so you know when new videos are coming out, and they come out twice a month. All right, guys, see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.